Hey y'all, Crazy Pop here, and today, boy, summertime's right around the corner, so we have something that reminds me of summertime, water parks, the beach. Now, this came from New Orleans, from what I understand, is where it originated from, but this has become something, one of my summertime favorites, and not long ago we did a collaboration with some other channels of hashtag Bring On Summer 2021, and that really got me wanting some summertime dishes. So that's what inspired today's cook. We are making shrimp po' boys on the Blackstone Griddle. Now, if you've never heard of these, it's very, very easy, very simple, a great shrimp recipe. You got to try these out. If you have had them, there's all kind of variations. Now, we're not making the classic with the cabbage and all that kind of. I'm going to tell you how we do ours and put our little spin on it, make them delicious. Try them this way. Let us know what you think. Maybe you like them, maybe you won't. Let us know. We'd love to hear it. Also, if you're new here, consider subscribing. We have all kind of fun here. We do all kind of things. Who knows what we're going to cook, what we're going to do? Who knows? If you've been here, man, thank you so much. Love all the support and the love you've been showing us. We're growing. We're almost at 10K. Won't be long. Maybe have some big news for that. Just hold tight for that. Anyhow, you get all that done. Look down below in the description. There's a recipe playlist of all kinds of recipes we've done. If you don't see what you're looking for there, let us know in the comments. Now, I have a running list of some comments people want to see us cook, and I'm getting around to those, so be patient. If there's something you want to see, let us know. We'd love to know. With all that being said, let's fire this thing up. Let's show you some groceries, and let's get to cooking. Now, for this cook, I'm just going with these middle two burners. And we're going to turn them on down to right above low. We'll check it there, and if we need to adjust, we will. Now, just looking at this just screams summertime. Don't this look good right here, y'all? What we're going to start out with, we have a pound, roughly a pound of large shrimp. They've already been peeled, deveined, tail off, all that good stuff. To make our Cajun, I can't even pronounce it right, remoulade sauce, our Cajun sauce. We have a cup of mayo, of course it's Duke's. 2/3 a cup of ketchup. We have 3 tablespoons of horseradish. Now, use the hot if you want. We just have the plain, just regular horseradish. If you want to make it extra spicy, use some hot. We have 1 tablespoon of lemon juice here. Now, on this plate over here, we also have a tablespoon of Creole seasoning, half a teaspoon of paprika, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now, gotta have something to put them on, so we have a couple sub rolls here that we're gonna put them on. This back here is gonna kind of dress up our sandwiches. We have some lettuce, some shredded lettuce, fresh tomatoes. Now, this parsley I've chopped up, we're gonna kind of sprinkle the parsley on the shrimp as we cook, and we'll season that shrimp with some Old Bay seasoning. Y'all, that's it. It looks like a lot, but trust me, it's gonna come together, and this is gonna be awesome. Okay, while the griddle is heating up, let's go ahead and get our sauce made up, y'all. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna dump all our spices in there. Dump our lemon juice in there. Come over here and add our horseradish. Get all that in there. And dump our ketchup in there. Now, all this will be in the recipe down below. So once all that's in there, we just want to mix it up really good. Give it a good mix. And there we go. It's mixed up. Good creamy sauce. Gotta try it, y'all. Oh, yeah. That's exactly it. Yeah, buddy. That's what we're looking for right there, y'all. Okay, sauce is mixed up. The griddle's heating up. Still ain't quite there. So let's go ahead and get our shrimp ready for the griddle. Sauce is made up, y'all. Look at that beautiful sauce. Isn't that pretty? But the shrimp, we gotta get it ready, y'all. So add the shrimp in there. What I'm gonna do is I have a little canola oil here. I'm just gonna kind of lightly cover it. Now this, season to taste, y'all. Put the Old Bay in there, which ain't wanting to come out very well, but that's okay. Kind of mix it up. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of parsley in here. Just a little bit. I'm gonna tell you what, think I'm gonna open up this other Old Bay here. Just kind of dump it in there. Probably maybe a teaspoon of it right there. I think I'm gonna add a little more. Like I say, season this to taste how you want, as much as a little. You just want to get them good and coated. The parsley's gonna look beautiful on this shrimp. I think I'm gonna go a little more Old Bay, y'all. Oh, this is gonna be delicious here. A little more parsley for some beautiful color. And there we go, y'all. I think that'll be delicious. What y'all think? We'll go with that. Y'all, the griddle's ready. So let's get some groceries on the griddle. Let's get these shrimp on. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and just pour this out. All that juice in there with them. From here, we'll just spread them out and get them good and even across here. Now, they will not take this shrimp long at all to cook. Roughly 2 minutes aside-ish. And then we'll give them a flip. Okay, y'all, it's been a little over 2 minutes. We're gonna flip this shrimp. Oh yeah, that's what we're looking for right there. Oh yeah. Let's get them all flipped. Make sure they're cooked on both sides. Isn't that beautiful, y'all? All right, y'all. There it is, all flipped. The shrimp is flipped. Y'all look at how beautiful this shrimp is turning out to be. Man, these gonna be some good sandwiches. Y'all, these shrimp are done. Took roughly about 5 minutes total. Don't take long for shrimp at all. You do not want to overcook your shrimp. So let's get this shrimp off the griddle. First off, y'all look at how pretty that is. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, buddy. That right there is a meal by itself. You ain't got to put this on a sandwich, but we're going to. All right, y'all. It's off the griddle. Over here, ready to be plated up. Let's make us a couple sandwiches. Here it is, y'all. Let's start off with putting us a bed of lettuce down on this sandwich. Some tomatoes. Let's put some of this beautiful shrimp on here, y'all. Load this shrimp up, and we got a good bit of shrimp. Yeah, I'm using my hands, because guess what? I'm eating this sandwich. A couple more shrimp, how's that? Now, let's take some of this beautiful sauce back here. Oh, yeah. There it is, y'all. There it is. Now, you put as much sauce on here as you want to. Close her up, and look at there. Look at that sandwich, y'all. Get this other one made up, and we're gonna eat. Y'all, it was that simple. And I did have a little issue. My buns, my sub buns split open on the back, so they're open sandwiches now, but that's fine. They'll still eat great, I promise you. A lot of people use French bread for these, and that's fine. You can use that. I just picked up these sub rolls here at Walmart from the deli, and I think they work perfect. Them are beautiful. Y'all gotta check these out. What you think about that? That right there is beautiful. I mean, look. All that flavor up in there. Yeah, buddy. Okay, y'all. Moment of truth has arrived. Y'all got a close-up look at these beautiful things we done did made. I think I'm gonna pick this one up right here. Oh, wow. Yeah, buddy. Let's try it out. Let me Need paper towel. Y'all, that's delicious. Yeah, buddy. I mean, that's perfect. That's what we're looking for. Summertime is here. I hope. Hope soon. Y'all, I learned a new word though. I learned that these are bussin'. Grandkids taught me that one. That means it's good. So, if you hear somebody say something's bussin', yeah, that's good, buddy. Y'all got to try this out. Super simple, and y'all can make it different ways. You know, I've seen people where you put pickles and onions and all kind of things on here. I'm gonna eat my sandwich just like it is because it is delicious. And that sauce is spot on. So give this a try. Let me know what you think. If you've ever tried them before, let me know how you make them. There's all kind of variations, you know, and I love knowing different ways that people do stuff. So let me know. So while y'all get all that done, I'm gonna get these done, and we'll see you next time.